Welcome to Chemist Lab. I'm going to teach you how to round decimals to the nearest tenth. There are so many lessons on rounding numbers to hundreds, to tenths, to tens, to thousands. But today I want us to learn how to round numbers to the nearest tenth. A number in tenths. You have to know, first of all, the place values of decimals. After a decimal point, this is tenths, hundredths, thousandths. And this, before the decimal, is ones. Now, the number here which we want in the place value of tenth is 6. 6 is the number. But then we look at the next number. The next number is 3. Now, when we are rounding off numbers, we look at the next number. If the next number is 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, we round the number up. In other words, we add a 1 to the number in that place value that they are asking. Now that the number is, if the number is the next number to the place value that we want, if it is 4, 3, 2, 1, or 0, then we round down. We round down, the number does not change, we round up. If the next number is 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now, in this case, our place value, the number we want in the place value of tenth is 6. The next number is 3. It's not going to change this number 6 because it's going to round the number down. So our answer here will stay as 8.6. That will be our answer, rounded to the nearest tenth. Now let's look at the next example. In the next example, we have 6.773, and the number in the place value that we are looking for is the first 7 here, which is in the 10th place. And the next number is 7. Now, 7 is going to round this number up to 8. In other words, when the number next to the number you're looking for is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, this number in the place value has to change by adding a 1 on it. So in this case, we are going to have our answer as 6.8. So this 7 is going to change to 8. Let's look at the next example. The place value of the number that we want, that we are looking for, is here after the decimal, the 10th place. We have a 1, and the next number in this case is 2. So 2 is going to round this number down to stay the same. It will not change it. So our answer here is going to be 48.1. It will not change. Our next example is 94.561, and the place value that we are looking for is 10th, which is 5, which is there, and then the next number is 6. So if the next number is 6, it's going to change this 5 by adding a 1 on it. So we'll get 6 in that place. So our answer here is going to be 94.6. So more lessons will come on this, on rounding decimals to hundredths, thousandths, and more. So go to the comment section and round for me this number to the nearest tenth and put their answer. Thank you and see you later.